So in this lesson, we're going to install a new NPM package called React Switch. The React Switch package exposes a React component that represents a switch or a toggle. Here on the official NPM page for the project, I can see an example right here. And it's a beautiful toggle that the user can click that varies between two different settings, or in our case, it's going to be two different modes of our user form. So I think this will be a more elegant way than our two buttons that we can represent the idea of different versions and allow the user to switch effortlessly between them. And this is also going to give us experience with integrating a React component from somebody else into our own project and also integrating that with our actual component state. So the library is called React-Switch. It is pretty popular, and we're going to dive into the API of the component in the next lesson. But for now, I want to install this dependency and add it to our project. So I'm going to bring up my terminal where our React user form project should be running. I'm going to shut down the project using Control-C, and then I'm going to use npm install to add a dependency, and this project is called React-Switch. We'll press enter to start the installation process, and once that all completes, we can restart our React dev server with npm run start, and we'll pick up with this component within our code editor in the very next lesson. So I'll see you there.